Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so here I'm here to show you the STC 1000 working on its capacity. So I've set my temperature to 37.8. Then there should be zero. That's the difference of 0.3. So 0.3. So on 37.8 it should cut, and then 37.5 it should come on. So you see 37.5 the heater is working. So 38.1 the heater will start working. So at this point I'm going to show you around the incubator what I did, and then you can follow that style and then work on it. So sorry, my workshop is a little bit messy. I have my vent hole here, one vent hole here, so you can see one vent hole here, and then at the back I have one at the top, so you can see the difference. It's not that far from the top, and then I have another one at the bottom which lines up with the one here. So at the side I have also one hole here which is also matching with the other one there. So everything I've done so far is a measurement. So I measured this to I think that was 4 centimeters or so, 4 centimeters, and then the same here, the same over there, and then I measured about 12 or 20 centimeters over here. Can't really remember the measurement, sorry. And then so we are going to look inside right now. So at the front I have my glass here, which you can see it's really nice, and then I used a silicone glue to glue it so that I don't end up breaking the glass. So it's still soft, so I have to wait for tomorrow for it to dry, but I managed to put it in. So now we're going to look inside. So first of all, I have my heater here. I have my two 12-volt fan. For you to understand what I did right now is that if I use this, the chance of me getting my temperature is high, because the fan will be blowing at a very high speed, and on the high speed it will hit against the door, and when it hits against the door it spreads downwards. So it helps me get my temperature at the downside, because the fan is not blowing direct, it's blowing against the wall, and then when it hits the wall it reflects downwards. So when it goes down, the air that is already down comes out, and then when it comes out it helps the heat of that air flow backwards. So you can see I have a space at the back there, so it will flow and go up, and when it goes up it comes back down again. So it's like a cycle, so it goes down and up, down and up, and that's my motto. So you can see I use a piece of wood which I'm going to paint later. That's why I bought my paint spray can, so that I can paint it later. And then I have my bulb at the back there. I don't think you can see it, but hold on, I'll show you the bulb. I have my bulb here, and then my sensor is right here, so it's at a perfect position, and this is where the water goes to and then comes at this side. And this is the 10s, so it's 60 10s, and then it helps turn very well. Because this controller doesn't use a turner, I'm using the heater to turn it, so every second the heater stops, the motor also stops. So it's good for your motor to turn every 4 times every day. So if it turns 4 times every day, it is good for your eggs, so you have no problem with that. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.